Hi guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Gear. This is where tech meet hustle. Have you been looking for a way to make extra income while at home, during your vacation or during holidays? This is the right place for you because I'm going to share with you a little secret I've been using to make extra income while at home, during vacation or during my holidays. Now you have nothing to worry about the platform because I don't share any platform that is not legitimate or real on my channel, because every platform that I share or I do video about it, I first of all test it before I share it to my audience. Now before we continue, if you are new on the platform, don't forget to subscribe, like our video and share, and also leave a comment in the comment section so that we'll get to know your experience with the platform as well. Also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified as soon as possible.
So much money.
So there's some cash made by some of the users on this UTest platform. This is $93, and the next one is about $195. I also have about $7.75. So this is just some proof of money earned by this platform, on this platform by some of the users that have what perform video tags on this platform. So I'm going to walk you through the process and how the platform works. So you can see I have logged into my account. So this is my account. I have created this account today and I don't actually have any tax, or I have not performed any what um tax yet, so I have not received any payment. You can see the payment balance is still zero. So if you have any payment, you have a pending payment or you have received payment already, everything will show up here. This is a summary of what your payment what dashboard. So that is it. If you have an account, log into your account and then start using the application. You don't have an account, first of all you need to create an account with this platform, and then you sign in or you log into your account and then get started with this account. So I am going to walk you through the most important features of this application. So you can see this is my dashboard, the payment dashboard here. So you can see when you have your lifetime earnings will show up at the top, and then your pennies payout will follow. And you can see average monthly earnings. We have highest monthly earnings, we have lowest monthly earning as well. Everything will show up here. So this is what your payment summary. If you want to change your payment option here, you can either change it to PayPal or Payoneer account and then click on what save. So that is it. You can see your payment history, everything here into detail. So that is it. So also you want to change your payment currency, the currency in which you want to receive your payment, you can come here and then change that as well. So I will maintain the British pound sterling. Let's go back here. I'm going to show you something real quick. You can see this is your profile. This is my tester profile here. You can see UTest at the top, that's their logo. We have unrated user. You can see the tester ID, your name, and then followed by the tester ID, and then what we have the tester profile, community profile, we have payment, account security, so on and so forth. So these are some of the most important features you will be using on this platform. So I have created this account today. I have not yet performed any tasks. That's why my account is still zero. So you can see somebody recommended me to this platform and I found it very useful, and I decided to share it with my audience. So if you are new on the channel, please, I recommend you subscribing for more content like this to get updates anytime a good opportunity comes, and I'll be able to share it with you as well. So that is it. Now let's go to what tester profile. I'm going to show you something real quick here. You can see here, this is your personal profile. You can upload your avatar here. You can also what update your name, your date of birth, so on and so forth. You can change your number, where you are located. You can add your phone number and so on and so forth. You can add your email address, your street address, every bit of information that you need to add on your profile. You can include that and click on the save button at the bottom here. You can also change your device. Now this is an option where you select the device you are going to use to perform the test. Remember, this is a platform where you test so many various website applications, so many things that you'll be given to test, and then you get paid with real money. It's really legitimate. This is not a fraud platform. So bigger platform will design applications, website, maybe products, and they want you to test it to send or give them your feedback about how the product is. So when you give them a feedback, they will know whether they need to improve on the product or they will maintain it like that before they can be able to do what, sell it to the public. So this is literally what you'll be doing at this platform, and you'll be paid very good amount of money. And here one thing is, anytime you get an alert, you select the one that you want to take. Only test, they will give you more options or more test notifications. So you click on the test, you see whether you want to perform that test or not. You can decline or accept and then go ahead and take the test. So that is it. So you can see this option is to select the device you want to use to perform your test. If you are going to use a desktop or a laptop, you are going to give the laptop name, the brand and order. You add a laptop here. If you are using a mobile or a tablet, you can also select that one as well. If you have a smart TV, you have other smart Blu-ray players, any device at all you are going to use to perform this test. This is the option where you include that device so that people can easily match you with the related tests that are available. So that is it. After you update all this information, then you click on the save button and then it will be saved. Now also have what we call payment testing. This is a testing where people design e-wallets and then they want to see how it works. So it's like the mobile money application that has been developed. Now people want, maybe it comes first and they want to see how it works. So you are going to try to use that mobile or payment platform and perform some transactions, and then you get paid for just using that platform. Now there's no harm in this because you can see here we have willing to do purchase with refund. So this is one option. If you want to accept that, you click yes. If you don't want, you click no. So here it's like you are going to use this platform with your money and perform some purchase, and then they will see how the transaction is done, whether it's effective. They can return your money back to you immediately. So this is a refund. They are not going to keep your money for purchasing the product. You are just going to use your money to do the payment, and then they can pay it back to you. You can decide to do that. You select that option, yes or no. So this is your literally what you prefer to do. So that is it. These are so many options you can choose. We also have a call mobile wallet. You can choose the one you want to do. If you want to perform e-wallet, mobile wallet, also have what we call alternative payment options. These are just payment testing that are available. You want to perform payment testing to get paid. So this is the option where you can come and then select your preference. We also have what we call subscriptions as well. Here you will subscribe to a certain entertainment platform, loyalty programs, we have car sharing service, we have TV providers, so on and so forth. You subscribe to these platforms and then they will see how it works. You will get paid for this subscription. You can also receive your refund after you subscribe as well. So that is it. We also have what we call interest. Interest here is your hobby. You select the hobbies that you have, what you like doing. If you are into audio recording, you are into maybe arts, if you are into electronics, casual games, casino gambling, fashion, fitness, so on and so forth. You select all these hobbies and then you click on continue. Then the next thing is, are you willing to participate in testing relating to monetized gambling or casino games? If you are willing to, click yes. If you are not willing to, click no, and then you continue. You come here, there are so many check boxes that you need to check according to your preference. After you are done checking, you click on the save button and then you continue. So this is to just get some information about you so that they can easily match you with the available test offers on the platform. We also have what we call orders here. So these orders are no longer, they are not yet available. So if anything like that comes up, you will get the notification on this option here. So we have statistics. So this literally shows the total number of people performing or using this platform. You can see testing history here. We have overview. Right now on UTest, these are the total number of testers available. We have about 2 million testers right now as we are talking. These are people, real human beings using this platform to perform so many tests here. We also have got the test cycles. The number of test cycles, we have the products available on this platform for testing as well. We have the rating, the functionality, the usability, the low security, localization, what accessibility, and so on and so forth. So we have what my activity here. So any activity you perform, you see all what the statistic or the statistical analysis here. You see everything here clear to decide what to do next. So that is it. These are some of the features of this platform that you can easily what use to get paid. So that is it. We have project. I click on project, you see everything here. We have the project board. So let's just check that out. This is simple how you can be able to use this platform to make some cash by just what testing other products available on what this platform. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, please do us a favor by liking the video, share to others who are interested in this kind of content. And finally, I recommend you subscribing to the channel so that you will not miss any of our future content. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you get notified as soon as possible. Thank you for coming across this channel once again, and I'm hoping to see you in my next video. Love you.